threading the Kenmore 1207. This is a clip out of the stitch test video. And to thread the machine, you put the thread up on one of the spindles, and then just past the knob there is a pair of thread guides. You need to run through both of those thread guides, and that will then allow you to run the thread down the front of the machine and into the tensioner. The tensioner has a thread keeper and a spring in it. So you go from the thread through the two guides on top, around the right side of the tensioner between the discs, and then around, and you need to pull the thread all the way so it takes the tiny finger spring and the thread gets hooked inside the keeper on top of the tensioner. Then you can take it from behind that finger spring and keeper on the tensioner and put it through the take-up arm on the top there. And then once it goes through the take-up arm, there is a guide inside the light cover and a guide next to the needle bar above the needle. That guide was the guide I had to replace because it was broken. And then you can thread through the needle. It is important that you get all of the thread guides because, as I learned with the broken thread guide on the needle bar, that allowed the thread to flop around and shred on the light door. So the needle threads from the outside to the inside of the machine. So it starts on the left and it goes through the eye and comes out the right hand side of the needle.